Heard it through the grapevine, those rumors are true. Mark your calendars for the last week of July. It's Extempore's third annual PD Extravaganza. With over a dozen opportunities to engage in workshops and webinars in all areas of world language teaching, there's something for everyone. This year's topics include facilitating spontaneous speech, task-based language teaching, rubric design and implementation, and much more. Oh, and by the way, it's entirely free of charge. Our PD Extravaganza this year features multiple returning presenters from past sessions, including Claudia Fernandez.
And if I say that it's a task, this in itself has a purpose, it has a meaning, right? And the purpose is not linguistic. I don't want my students to practice anything.
Rich Madel.
But when we talk about the paradigm shift, what we're talking about is that concept of moving away from learning about languages to students using language for communication.
And Amanda Lemire.
This is where we get into things that we can actually do that can allow you to coordinate with teachers of other languages. And again, that connect to our lives as teachers.
We'll have a host of first-time presenters as well, including Teachers of the Year from New Jersey and Delaware, as well as 2 directors of world language education programs. If you can't make it, don't worry. Every session will be recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel for later viewing. And new this year, we'll have highlight reels of each session so that you can watch a shorter version with the main points of each session if you missed them or if you just wanted to watch them again. We look forward to seeing you during this week of collaboration, learning, and professional developments. Register at the link right here, and we'll see you.